Let us discuss minimization of DFA, Mile-Neurode theorem or table filling algorithm. Coming to the first problem, find the equivalence and minimization of finite automata for the following FA. Here they are given the transition diagram. As per the theorem, in the first step, making for all states P, Q, where P is final state and Q is non-final state. Here P is final state, Q is a non-final state. Look at the transition diagram. C is our final state, remaining states are non-final state. First transition table should be drawn for the given transition diagram. Here starting state A, final state C, states are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, input going to be 0, 1. Take the starting state A and apply input 0, 1. A0 goes to B, A1 reach to F. Here you write BF. Next B and apply input 0, 1. B0 reach to G, B1 goes to C. Here GC. Next state C, input are 0 and 1. C0 reach to A, C on looking a symbol 1, it reach to C itself. Here you write AC. D input 0, 1, D0 it reach to C, D1 reach to G. Here you write CG. Next state E and apply input 0, 1, E0 reach to H, E1 reach to F. Here you write HF. Next state F, take the input 0, 1, F0 reach to C, F1 reach to G. Here CG. Next state G, apply input 0, 1, G on looking input symbol 0, it reach to G itself, G1 reach to E. Here GE. Last state H and apply input 0, 1. So H0 reach to G, H1 reach to C. Here you write GC. So we finished the transition table, then move to the matrix table. In this matrix table, horizontally you have to start from A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And vertically start from B, C, D, E, F, G, H. In this transition table, we have states A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Take the pair with the final state and non-final state and put cross mark. Here final state C, non-final states are A, B, D, E, F, G, H. Take a pair CA, CB, CD, CE, CF, CG, CH. Then you put a cross mark. Here CA cross mark, CB cross mark, CD cross mark, CE cross mark, CF cross mark, CG cross mark, CH cross mark. Then we have to complete all the steps in the given matrix. CA cross mark. Look at the matrix table. CA, where is CA? CA. Put cross mark. Next CB. CB here. CB. Cross mark. Next CD. Cross mark. Next CE. Cross mark. CF. Cross mark. CG. Cross mark, CH cross mark. In the second step, find the states that are distinguishable with A, because we need to complete all the steps in the matrix table. Here find the states that are distinguishable with A, which means look at the transition table. In this transition table, we have to take the pair distinguishable with A, B, AD. Don't take AC because we already completed final state and non-final state pair in the first step. So we done this part. Leave it C. Then distinguishable with A, which means AB, AD, AE, AF, AG, AH. Here you write del of A comma B, AD, AE, AF, AH and apply two inputs 0, 1. So del of A comma B 0. Look at the transition table. In this transition table, AB 0, BG, here BG, AB, del of AB 1. See the transition table, AB 1, FC, FC. Here two answers we got, BG, FC. If you have already put a cross mark on any one of the two answer, put a cross mark on this pair. In this answer, F comma C is a cross, we already put a cross mark. Look at the first step. In the first step, C comma F is a cross mark. F comma C, C comma F, both are the same. Here you mark it, F comma C is a cross mark. So we already put a cross mark, then mark A comma B equal to cross mark because F comma C is a cross mark. So F comma C is a cross mark. So AB cross mark. Then go to the matrix table. Here you put AB cross mark. Then next pair, AD 0 and another input is 1. Del of AD 0. See the transition table, AD 0, BC, BC. Next del of AD 1, AD 1, FG, FG. In these two answer, B comma C we already put a cross mark. Look at the first step, B comma C. B comma C, C comma B, both are the same. So C comma B we already put a cross mark. Then A comma D is a cross mark. So mark A comma D equal to cross mark as B comma C is a cross mark. So you put a cross mark on any one of the two answers. If you have already put a cross mark any one of the answer, then here you mark A comma D is a cross mark. In this AD 0 is BC, AD 1 is FG. We already put a cross mark C comma B in the first step, cross mark. C comma B, B comma C, both are the same. So here you write here B comma C is a cross mark, then mark A comma D equal to cross mark because B comma C is a cross mark. So A comma D is a cross mark. Here you put cross mark. Then AD. Next pair, AE 0 and apply another input 1. AE 0, look at the transition table. AE 0, BH. Here BH. Del of AE 1. AE 1. AE 1, F, F. Here you write FF. Here these two answers are different. We cannot put a cross mark, just hold it, then move to the next step. Del of A comma F 0 and del of A comma 1. Del of A comma F 0. See the transition table. In this transition table, AF 0 means BC. Here you write BC. Next del of A comma F 1. A comma F 1, FG. FG. In these two answer, B comma C is a cross mark. We already put in the first step, C comma B. B comma C or C comma B, both are the same. So mark A comma F equal to cross mark because B comma C cross mark. Here A comma F cross mark. Go to the matrix table. In this matrix table, A comma F cross mark. A comma E not a cross mark because in this step we got a different answers. So we are hold it, then we are moved to the next step. So AF cross mark. Here I put cross mark AF. Next AG and apply input 0 1, AG 0. See the transition table, AG 0 BG. Here BG. Del of AG 1, AG 1 FE. FE. These two answers are different, just hold it. Then move to the next pair. What is the next pair? Del of AH0 and AH1. So del of AH0, look at the transition table, AH0 BG. Here BG. Del of AH1, AH1 FC. Here FC. In these two answer, FC cross mark. Look at the first step. We already put cross mark C comma F. F comma C, C comma F both are the same. Here F comma C is a cross mark. Then mark AH equal to cross mark as F comma C cross mark. Go to the matrix table, AH cross mark. Then move to the second subdivision. Find the states that are distinguishable with B. So we finished final state with a non-final state in the first step. So we put a cross mark. After that, in the second step, first division, we completed distinguishable with A. We completed. Then find the states that are distinguishable with B. Look at the transition table. Here we already completed C and distinguishable with A is completed. Now distinguishable with B, which means take the pair B, D, B, E, B, F, B, G, B, H. Here B, D, B, E, B, F and apply two inputs 0, 1. Then B, G, B, H. Here BD0. See the transition table. BD0 GC. Here GC. Del of B comma D1. So input 1. Look at the transition table. BD1 CG. Here you write CG. In these two answers, G comma C, C comma G, both are the same. Look at the first step. C comma G or G comma C, both are the same. You take any one of the answer, then mark B comma D equal to cross mark because C comma G equal to cross mark. So BD is cross mark. Go to the matrix table and put a cross mark BD. BD. Here you put cross mark. The next pair, del of B comma E and apply input 0, 1, BE 0. See the transition table, BE 0 GH. Here GH. Next del of BE 1. See the transition table, BE 1 CF. Here you write CF. In these two answers, CF, we already put a cross mark in the first step. So mark BE equal to cross mark because CF cross mark. So here BE is a cross mark. Go to the matrix table, BE cross mark. Put a cross mark here. Then BF, del of BF 0. See the transition table, BF. B0 G, BF0 C. So GC. GC here. Next del of BF1. See the transition table, BF input 1 C G. Here you write CG. In these two answers, GC, CG both are the same. We already put a cross mark in the first step. So mark BF cross mark because CG cross mark. Go to the matrix table, put a cross mark BF. Here BF. Put a cross mark BF. Next BG and apply input 0 1 BG 0. Look at the transition table. BG 0 G, here G comma G, G comma G. Next input del of B comma G 1. Look at the transition table. BG input 1 C E. Here you write CE. In these two answers, CE we already put a cross mark in the first step, CE cross mark. Then here you mark B comma G equal to cross mark because C comma E equal to cross mark. Go to the matrix table. In this matrix table, B comma G. So BG is a cross mark. And last pair is BH and apply input 0 1 BH 0. Look at the transition table. BH input 0 G G. Here G comma G. Next input 1 del of B comma H input 1. Look at the transition table. BH input C C. Here you write CC. Here in this step we have different answers G G C C. Just hold it, then move to the next step. Find the states that are distinguishable with D. See the transition table. We completed distinguishable with B. Now distinguishable with D means take the pair DE, DF, DG, DH. Here DE0, DE0 and 1. These are the two inputs. So first pair DE, DE0. See the transition table. DE0 CH. Here CH. DE1 del of DE1. So DE1 means GF. Here you mention GF. In these two answers CH we already put a cross mark. Then mark DE cross mark because CH cross mark. Go to the matrix table. In this matrix table DE cross mark. Next pair del of DF and apply input 0 1. So DF 0. See the transition table. DF 0 CC and DF 1 is GG. So CC GG. Here you write CC input is 0. DF 1 means GG. So these two answers are different. So just hold it, then move to the next step. Next pair DG and apply input 0 1 DG 0. Look at the transition table. DG 0 CG. Here you write CG. DG 1. DG 1 means GE. Here you write GE. In these two answer, CG we already put a cross mark in the first step. Then mark DG cross mark because CG cross mark. Here you put DG cross mark. And next pair is DH 0. Look at the transition table. DH0 CG. DH1 is GC. Here GC. In these two answer we already put a cross mark in the first step. So mark DH cross mark because C comma G is a cross mark. Go to the matrix table. DH cross mark. Then move to the next step. Find the states that are distinguishable with E. So we done distinguishable with D. Next distinguishable with E means take a pair EF, EG, EH. Here you write EF and apply input 0, 1, EG and apply input 0, 1, and last one EH input 0, 1. Del of EF 0, del of EF 0 means, look at the transition table, EF0 HC, EF1 FG. Here you write HC FG. In these two answer, we already put a cross mark CH in the first step. H, C, C, H, both are the same. Here you put cross mark. Then mark E, F equal to cross mark because H, C equal to cross mark. Go to the matrix table, EF cross mark. Next pair, EG and apply inputs 0, 1. EG 0, 0 and 1. So EG 0 is HG, EG 1 is FE. Here you write HGFE. In these two answers are different, but in the previous step, look at the pair E, F. E, F we already put a cross mark. So E, F or F, E both are the same. Then obviously you have to mark E, G equal to cross mark because F, E is already we put a cross mark. So E, G is a cross mark. Go to the matrix table, EG cross mark. And last pair is EH and apply input 0, 1, EH0, del of EH0 and del of EH1. Look at the transition table, EH0 HG, EH1 FC. Here EH0 HG, EH1 FC. In these two answer, F, C we already put a cross mark, then mark EH cross mark because F, C cross mark. Go to the matrix table, here you put cross mark, EH cross mark. Next step, distinguishable with F. Find the states that are distinguishable with F. See the transition table, here we done the part distinguishable with E, then here distinguishable with F. So now take the pair FG, FH. FG and apply input 0, 1 and after that FH and apply input 0, 1. So FG0, look at the transition table, FG0 CG, FG1 GC, GE. Here you write CG, GE. In these two answers, CG we already put a cross mark, then mark F, G equal to cross mark as C, G equal to cross mark. In this matrix table, here FG is a cross mark. Then next one, del of F, H and apply input 0, 1, FH0. See the transition table, FH0 CG, FH1 GC. Here you write CG, GC. In these two answer, C, G, G, C both are the same. In the first step, we already put a cross mark, C, G cross mark. So here C, G, G, C both are the same. Then mark F, H equal to cross mark because G, C cross mark. Here F, H cross mark. Here matrix table F, H cross mark. Then move to the next step. Find the states that are distinguishable with the G. In this transition table, we completed distinguishable with the F. Now distinguishable with the G. Take the pair GH. After that there is no state. Leave it. We have only one pair. Del of GH and apply input 0, 1, GH0. See the transition table. GH0 is GG. GH1 is EC. Here you write GG, EC. In these two answers, EC means in the first step we already put the cross mark CE. CE or EC, both are the same. Here mark GH cross mark because EC cross mark. Go to the matrix table. In this matrix table, GH, put a cross mark. Look at the transition table. So we done all the distinguishable states. After that there is no states. Coming to the matrix table, in this matrix table, see the distinguishable states, and we put a cross mark to all the places. In this matrix table, AE, AG, BH, then DF. Still we didn't put a cross mark, so we need to check it all the steps. So AE, go to the first step. AE, here 0, 1. So BH, FF. There are two answers. BH, which means distinguishable with the B. Go to the B because BH pair is arrived in a distinguishable with the B. Here BH. In BH we have a different answers. Still we didn't put a cross mark. Leave it. So in this matrix table we can't put a cross mark here. Then next one, AG. AG means first step. The second step, first division. AG and inputs are 0, 1. The answers are BG, FE. BG means distinguishable with the B. BG. Here BG we already put a cross mark. And another answer is FE. FE means distinguishable with the F. Distinguishable with the F. Here FE. So distinguishable with the F. EF. See the distinguishable with the E. Here EF, FE both are the same. We already put a cross mark. So you consider any one of the answer. Here AG0 is BG, AG1 is FE. So BG, FE both answers are, we already put a cross mark. You consider any one of the answer. I just considered here FE cross mark. So mark FE we already put a cross mark. Then AG cross mark because FE we already put a cross mark. Then go to the matrix table. In this matrix table, AG cross mark. AG cross mark. And next one, BH. BH we already seen in the the second step. In the second step, subdivision BH. Here BH there is no cross mark. Leave it. Next one, DF. DF blank space here. So we need to find out whether the cross mark is appeared or not. So DF. DF which means distinguishable with the D. DF. Inputs are 0, 1. There are two answers CC, GG. These two answers are different. Still we are not put the cross mark in this second steps. Okay, leave it. In this matrix table, tick all the places where there is no cross mark. Take the pair ticked here and that is your equivalent classes. This is your final matrix table. So in this matrix table, tick all the places where there is no cross mark. take the pair ticked here and that is your equivalent class. What are the equivalent classes? AE, BH, DF. These are the equivalent classes. Coming to the step 3, in the step 3 from the matrix it is clear that the states AE, BH, DF. Look at the matrix table. In this matrix table AE, BH, DF. These are the equivalent classes and remaining states are C and G. How I write C and G? Look at the original transition table. In this transition table, the step 3 we got equivalent classes. What are the equivalent classes? Here AE. AE is our equivalent classes. So AE equivalent class, AE equivalent class. Next one BH, BH equivalent class, and another one is DF, DF equivalent class. These are the equivalent classes because we put the tick mark in the matrix table and remaining states are C, G. Here I am writing remaining states are CG. Using the equivalent classes and the remaining states, we need to make a transition table. In this transition table, equivalent classes are AE, BH, DF, and this is minimized DFA. So we need to put del dash here. So AE, BH, DF are equivalent classes. Remaining states CG. Input going to be 0, 1 as per the original transition diagram. So AE0, AE0 means, look at the second step, first division. AE0, BH, here you write BH. AE1, AE1, FF. FF, it can be written as single F. Next BH0, BH0, here BH in the second step, second subdivision, BH0 is GG. GG means it can be written as G. BH1, BH1 CC, CC which means C. DF0, DF0, the third subdivision, DF0 is CC. CC it can be written as C. C. DF1 it can be written as G. DF1 GG it can be written as G. Next, remaining state CG, C0, C0, how do you write the answer? C0, see the original diagram, original transition table or diagram. C0 is A, C1 is C. Here you write AC, G0 and 1. Look at the original transition table or diagram, G0G, G1E. Here GE. So we done the minimized transition table. After that we need to draw a transition diagram. How do we draw the transition diagram? Here AE0. So here the starting state is A. In this original transition diagram, starting state is A and final state going to be C. Wherever the A is present in this pair. So A is our starting state and C is our final state. In this transition diagram, A is starting state and remaining states G, D, F, P, BH and the final states are, final state is C. So AE0 goes to BH, AE0 goes to BH and AE1 F, AE1 F, BH0 G, BH0 F, G, BH1C, BH1C, DF0C, DF0C, DF1G, DF1G. Next C0A, C0A, C1C, C1C itself, G0G, G0G itself, G1E, G1E. So we done the transition diagram. I hope you all understand this problem. Thank you.